What's going on, everybody? Today we are making chicken burrito bowls. To start things off, we are going to need 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 cup chopped onions, 1 cup of chopped red bell peppers, 1 16-ounce can of no salt added organic black beans, 1 16-ounce can of no salt added whole kernel corn, 6 cups of cooked browned rice, and 4 pounds of simple seasoned chicken chopped into cubes. Don't worry about the recipe for the simple seasoned chicken right now. I am going to link that down in the description, and there will also be a link to that video right after this recipe. You're going to want to get your pan nice and hot before you put your olive oil in. Right here I'm using 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to brown my garlic before I add in my onions and my bell peppers. I'm going to mix them together and sweat out the onion and bell pepper before I add in my corn and my black beans. Once I have everything mixed together real nicely, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 6 minutes. Give it a mix about halfway through, that way you can ensure that everything is cooking evenly and the flavors are melding together before covering and allow it to cook through for the full 6 minutes. Combine the cooked brown rice with your simple seasoned chicken or the protein of your choice, as well as the corn relish that has been cooking on the stove. Give everything a good mix so that your components are evenly distributed before you begin portioning out each serving. This is going to yield 12 servings of roughly 9 ounces per serving, and the macros are going to be 330 calories, 3 grams of fat, 35 grams of carbohydrates, and 39 grams of protein. Personally, I like to portion these out in bags, vacuum seal them, and freeze them. It allows me to grab them and go whenever I want, and also to store them for longer periods of time. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like, subscribe if you found it useful, and I will see you next time.